Ooh, no, I'm not going to tell you a scary story. But if you're a field technician as I am, I know you can relate to this problem. So you get in spots like this where you got to work under a desk, or maybe you're in a really dark area and your light is just too intense. And so what happens is when you try to shine it on something, it overpowers what you're looking at. I'll get you in here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. But I've got a fix for it. That's what I want to tell you about. All right, so let's imagine I'm trying to work back here on this PC, right? And when I shine a light, sometimes it's just so intense that it overpowers the things that I'm trying to read. Like maybe I'm trying to read that asset tag or something like that, right? Well, here's something I figured out you can do to solve this problem. You can make it yourself really cheap. It's a ping pong ball. Just take a ping pong ball, drill a hole in one side. It just works better if you drill a hole first. Take your snips and then cut like a little bit bigger hole and just make it so that it's big enough to fit on the end of your flashlight. So let's go take a look now. See how it softens up the light? You know, so instead of being so glaring and blinding, you know, it softens up the light so that you can, you know, well, let me get this out of the way. So you can see things. You can see things so much easier when the light is softened. So like I said, all you do, just take a ping pong ball like that, drill a hole on one end. In fact, actually, if I'd done it right, I would have drilled a hole right there where the wording is. And then just take your snips and make the hole a little bit bigger so it fits on top of your flashlight. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. Woo.